Today I'm reviewing the Darling 1.8 quart 60-ounce large serving bowls. These are porcelain bowls and they're quite large. They're good for different things like salad. You can place your salad in there. You can also put pasta in there, even soup. One thing I like about it is I like the design. The design is classic, white classic design, very durable, and I also like that it can go with any decor that you have in your house and on your table, especially when you are serving food. This is microwave safe and is also refrigerator safe. It's also oven safe, so you can use it in the oven, and you can also dishwash it, so you can use it in the dishwasher. And one thing that you should know is that the height of this, so the depth, it has about 8 inches, so you have about 8 inches going this way, 8 inches going that way, and the depth is 3.2 inches. So I love how practical it is. I love how durable it is, and also it is easy to clean, and you can see it's very easy to stack. That is something that when you are cleaning up, you want to get something that stacks really well. So if you're looking to purchase a good classic porcelain bowl, serving bowl, this is a good one to try.